Okay guys, we are going to repair the antenna. The plastic support broke. Now I need to replace. We need to take all these screws. Sorry, that's not this one. This one either. I think that is here. Yeah, this one. Remove this one. This one. Now need to take out the rubber guards. Remove this, and this, and this, and this, and this. Alright, carefully. First remove this one up, and then remove this one. Alright. Okay, here's the antenna. You can see here is the connection. Just need to remove this one. Remove everything. All right. The tricky part is to take out this dog teeth from here, but if you press the teeth, right, you press this one from below with a plier, it will go out easily. All right. This is a replacement antenna. I bought this one from AliExpress. It cost very little. I mean, around, well, not so little, but around 20 bucks. Right, but it's good. All right, everything working fine. Now we are going to make sure we put in the right place. Okay, you see we have a stopper here. And we have this profile here. We're going to stop here as well, right? So we want to have this one that moves, rotates here and bends to this side, right? So let's put this one like this, and then just insert. All right, you see. Like this, and now carefully plug the connector. All right, you need to hear the click, then route the wire here, right, and we are ready. Now we put this back. Okay, set the screws again. This one I didn't go all the way in. I need to check why. All right, nice, okay. Remember, you need to have unset these screws under the rubber flaps. rubber guards. One of the screws I heard fell here. Alright, now put this back. These are quick screws, don't over tighten. Just need to have 2.5 turns and that's it. Okay, now it's like new. Alright, everything works. Tomorrow is a test. Thanks for watching. See you soon.